Hi, I'm Sarah Fisher, Certified Integrative Movement Specialist, and I have the pleasure of also working here in clinic at the Chicago Integrative Movement Specialists. Thank you for joining me. Last week we talked about the 3 best patterns for training the female core. This week is a continuation of that, where I'm going to share with you the 3 patterns that I used to retrain my core after having my C-section. They're also the same 3 patterns that I use in clinic with my clients. And these are also 3 of the strategies that we use in our certification courses. The first pattern I'm going to take you through is Happy Baby with 3-dimensional breathing. We start with breathing because if you don't optimize your breathing or have optimal 3-dimensional breathing, you won't have optimal core function. So this is where it all begins. The second pattern that I used to retrain my core after my C-section, and one that we use with our clients here in clinic, is the Happy Baby position with the pullover. This helps to train the core and optimal 3-dimensional breathing while separating arm motion. The third exercise is the Happy Baby progression with the march. This is to help optimize that core strategy while moving the legs independently. You now have 3 strategies that you can take home immediately and use with your female clients. However, if you'd like more in-depth information, join my colleague Janice Maddock and me in Kansas City in 2 weeks. We'll be teaching a couple of courses around the female core. These courses were designed around fitness professionals like you who work with the female client population. To enroll in the course and to learn more information, go to iihfe.com. If you have any questions, reach out to helpdesk@fitnesseducationseminars.com. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you at the course in a couple of weeks.